Hi, my friends. I am going to tell you how to do the gather, grab, and graph activity. So this is the graph sheet that is in your work packet. You can use this or you can just make one of your own. It's just basically you could fold a paper in three because you need 3 columns, and then you're going to need some rows. Okay, so I'm using 3 different snacks. All right, now you're going to get 3 different snacks, but you're only going to get 10 pieces of each snack. All right, so I have sesame sticks, so I put sticks here with a little, if you don't want to write the word, make just a little picture. Then I have some goldfish with my little goldfish picture, and then I have wheat thins. Now my wheat thins were pretty big, so I split them up, and I'm wheat thins. So every time we grab something, we're going to graph it on this. All right, so here is my snack bowl. You're going to put it in a bowl. It's not a lot, but the great thing about after this activity, you get to eat it. So make sure your hands are clean. All right, so I grabbed 10 different goldfish. I grabbed my wheat thins and I just broke them up into pieces. So I have 10 pieces of wheat thins, and then I have 10 sesame sticks. Okay, so I have different colors for each of my items. Right. So what you're going to do, you're not going to grab a big handful. You're just going to use your fingertips. You're going to go without looking, don't look, and you're going to just pick up a few, just out of your fingertips, okay? Not the whole thing, because you got to do it 3 times. 3 snacks, 3 times. So this is what I got. I got 2 wheat thins, 1 goldfish, and 1 sesame stick. Now I said to get yourself a napkin so you can put these on a napkin so they stay clean. And then we're going to graph. So I got 1 sesame stick, so I am going to color that in. I got 1 goldfish, so I will color that in. And 2 of 2 wheat thins. So this is what my graph looks like right now. 1 sesame stick, 1 goldfish, 2 wheat thins. Okay? Now, you're going to leave those snacks on the table. You don't need to put them back in the bowl. You're going to go without looking again and pick up 3 more snacks, just a little handful. This time, I got 3 wheat thins, 1 goldfish, and 1 sesame stick. So now I'm going to graph that. So it was 1 sesame stick, 1 goldfish, and 3 wheat thins. 1, 2, 3. So now this is what my graph looks like. So if you're noticing, my wheat thins, I'm grabbing more of those. Maybe because they're bigger, they're the biggest out of the 2, I don't know. I have the same amount of sesame sticks and goldfish. All right, so now you're gonna pick 1 more time. So, down the bowl, don't look, pick 3 more. Or pick 1 little handful. See, it's just in the very tips of my fingers. My palm is all empty. Now I got, oh, look at 2 goldfish and 3 sesame sticks and no wheat thins. All right, so let's go ahead and graph that. 3 of my sticks. There's 1, 2, 3. 2 of my wheat thins. And 2 of my goldfish and 0 wheat thins. So this is my final, what it looks like. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my sesame sticks, 1, 2, 3, 4 of the goldfish, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of my wheat thins. It seems like there's a tie. Which 2 are tied? That's right, the wheat thins and the sesame sticks. So I'm asking you 3 questions on the sheet here. I'm asking you which one snack did you get the least out of? And we could say right here, we can tell right here, it's goldfish. And which one did you get the most out of? And on mine, I have a tie. So I'd say my wheat thins and my sesame sticks tied for the most. And then I want to know what's the difference between the most and the least. Now, pretty easy because look at how close they are. I would count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the most I got. So I would put a 5 down and then 1, 2, 3, 4 for the goldfish, and I'd write 4 down. Now difference. Now when we say difference, we are asking for a subtraction problem. So you are going to write, or you're going to just tell mom or dad that, here, I'm going to write 5, 4, and 5 here. So 5 minus 4. We want to know what that answer is, right? Between the most and the least, 5 minus 4. Now I could take 5, right, and take 4 away, and I'm left with 1. Or I can look right here and count how many empty spaces I would have to go up before I hit 5. And I'd have to go up 1, right? So the answer is 1. Okay? Now that you've done all that fun stuff, it's time to enjoy your snack. All right? Have fun.